Time for a little science, the sound science, or science of sounds. This time of year, if you go outside, you might hear something like this. We'd all say, oh, sounds like a bird. Well, there's water in here, and when you blow the water, it bubbles. And as the water is bubbling, when the whistle goes over the water, it warbles. Birds actually have water in their throats. So when they sing, you're hearing the warbling over the water as they whistle. So I'm just blowing and popping my finger off the hole, but the water inside that's bubbling is making the sound warble. So there's a little sound science. Here's the inside of a music box. It's just a wheel with bumps on it and a little cone that plinks on those bumps. As you turn the wheel, it makes a very quiet sound. You can hardly hear it. Maybe you can't hear it, but let's take the same sound and we'll put it on something. It got louder. That's because the drum I put it on has a hollow mouth underneath, and the sound is echoing under the drum's mouth. So no sound, more sound. Let's try it on something else. Here's a box, an instrument that's a wooden box with a hole, a hollow spot made of wood. Much louder. So that hole is a mouth the sound is coming out of. There's no microphone, there's no batteries, it's just sound in a hollow hole. Let's put one on top of the other. We'll see what happens. Oh, do you think that was louder yet? Not sure. You can experiment with that. If you ever have one of these, try it on the window, try it on a desk, try it on your head. That would be soft. It has to have something to echo, something hollow, or something hard. So that's a little sound science you can try.